If you've been learning English for months or even years, but you still feel stuck, then I'm going to be very honest with you. The problem might not be what you're doing, it's what you're not stopping. In this video, I'm sharing 5 things you must stop doing right now if you truly want to speak English fluently. And trust me, number 5 will shock you because most learners do it every single day without even realizing it. Hi, I'm Anya. Without any delay, let's start with the big one. 1. Stop translating in your head. If you are still translating every single word from your language into English before speaking, you're slowing yourself down. Your brain is stuck in translation mode instead of speaking mode. Imagine driving with the handbrake on, that's what's happening here. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with simple phrases you use daily. Instead of thinking, I am going to the shop in your language first, say it straight away in English. Even if it's not perfect. The more you do this, the more natural your speech becomes. 2. Stop being afraid of mistakes. Here's the truth, if you wait until your English is perfect before speaking, you will wait forever. Perfection is a myth. Mistakes are proof you're learning. Think about children, they say wrong words all the time, but no one tells them to stop speaking until they get it right. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Every mistake is a stepping stone to fluency. 3. Stop memorizing random words. Many learners believe that learning 100 new words every week will make them fluent. But if you don't use them, you'll forget them. Instead, learn words in context. Don't just learn the word opportunity. Learn the phrase, this is a great opportunity for me to improve. When you learn words as part of a phrase or sentence, you're more likely to remember and use them. 4. Stop avoiding conversations. This one hurts, but I have to say it. Watching videos, reading books, and doing grammar exercises are great, but if you're not actually speaking with people, you're not building your fluency muscle. Fluency grows in conversation. Find language partners, join online speaking clubs, or even talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself, it sounds silly, but it works. Pretend you're giving yourself updates, narrating what you're doing. You'll be shocked at how quickly your brain gets comfortable forming sentences. 5. Stop comparing yourself to others. And now, the biggest fluency killer of them all. You watch someone speak beautifully, and instead of feeling inspired, you think, I'll never speak like that. That thought kills your confidence. Your journey is your journey. Some people learn faster, some slower, but comparison only steals your motivation. Focus on your own progress. Record your voice every month and compare it to your past self. That's the only comparison that matters. So here's your challenge, pick just any of these bad habits and stop it today. Even if you can't fix everything overnight, stopping just one can change your fluency speed in weeks. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these 5 do you struggle with the most? And if you've already stopped one, how did it change your English? Let's inspire each other.